Class student, we will start explanation lesson 2. First, take a screenshot. Yesterday I explained you shape of the earth, globe, maps, kinds of maps. Political maps, physical maps, climate maps, road maps, sketch maps, reading of maps, directions of maps. Now today we will start very large land masses and water bodies on the earth. Continents. Underline the word continents. Very large land masses on the earth are called continents. These are from the largest in size to the smallest: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay. Continent means a large mass of land surrounded by water. Very large land masses. Underline the word land masses, meaning a continent or other large body of land on the earth are called continent. Okay class, a big land masses on the earth are called continent. These continents are from the largest to the smallest size wise. Okay class, first Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay, Asia is the largest continent and Australia is the smallest continent. I am showing you the world map and writing the name of the 7 continents. Okay class, first Look at the map. The blue color is, okay class, blue color all cover with water. Blue is showing water. It means ocean. And white color is land. Okay, let's start. First continent, Asia. This is Asia. Second, Africa. Third, North America. This part, North America. South America. This is South America. Antarctica. This portion is Antarctica. Europe. This portion is Europe. Last, Australia. This, Australia. Okay class? Okay. 7 continent, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Atlantica, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Okay. Next point is ocean. And ocean is a very large water body of saline water. Our earth has 4 major oceans. These are in descending order by area. The Pacific, Atlantica, Indian and Arctic. They cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. Okay. Ocean, underline the word ocean, meaning a huge water body. An ocean is a very large water body of saline water. Underline the word saline, means containing with salt. Okay. Ocean, the large masses of salt water that cover most of the earth's surface. Oceans are large water bodies made up of saline. Saline means salt water. Our earth has 4 oceans. These are from the largest in size to the smallest by area. Okay, descending order में largest to smallest size. Pacific is the largest ocean and Arctic is the smallest ocean. They covered about 70% of the earth surface. Means जो हमारी अर्थ है 70% पार्ट किससे कवर्ड है? वाटर से कवर्ड है. ओके ओके, आई एम शोइंग यू द वर्ल्ड मैप. I am showing you the world map and writing the name of the ocean. Okay, name of the 4 ocean. First look at this map. The blue color is showing water, it means ocean, and white color is land. Okay, start writing. First, the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is largest ocean. This part, and this part, Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Number 2, Atlantica Ocean. This part, Atlantica Ocean. Ocean. Third is Indian Ocean. This part, Indian Ocean. Last and smallest ocean, Arctic Ocean. Arctic. See, Arctic Ocean. Okay class, completed? Okay. Exercise A. Take the correct answer. 4 options, 3 options are given and you have to pick the correct answer. The question is, a picture of a planet drawn on a sphere is called. Options are A. Map, B. Sphere, C. Globe. The correct answer is globe. Take it. Number 2. Which maps show states and national boundaries? Options: A. Political, B. Physical, third, road. The correct answer is political. Take it. Number 3. To find directions, we use a रेन गेज, कंपास, थर्मामीटर. ये 3 इंस्ट्रूमेंट हैं, इससे हम मेजरमेंट करते हैं. फर्स्ट, रेन गेज. रेनफॉल को गेज करते हैं, रेनफॉल को मेजर करते हैं, तो उसके लिए हमें इंस्ट्रूमेंट चाहिए रेन गेज. कंपास टू फाइंड डायरेक्शन. थर्मामीटर बॉडी टेम्परेचर के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. ठीक है. सो क्वेश्चन, टू फाइंड डायरेक्शन वी यूज़ आ. आंसर बी. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, कंपास. टेक इट. द स्मॉलेस्ट ocean on the earth is the Atlantic, Arctic, Pacific. Okay class. Smallest ocean, I have explained you. Arctic is smallest ocean. Correct answer is B, Arctic. Number 5. The largest continent on the earth is. Largest continent, Asia. The correct answer is Asia. Take it. Completed? Good. Repeat again. Number 1. A picture of a planet drawn on a sphere is called. Globe. Answer is globe. Number 2. Which maps show states and national boundaries? Political. Answer is political. Number 3. To find directions, we use a? Answer is compass. The smallest ocean on the earth is the? Answer Arctic Ocean. 5. The largest continent on the earth is? Answer Asia. Okay, good. Next exercise B. Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Number 1. The earth is blank place in shape. Class, what is the shape of the earth? Yes, very good. Answer is spherical. Spherical. Okay, the earth is spherical in shape. Number 2. An blank place is a book of maps. Class, a book of maps is called atlas. Answer is atlas. A P L A S, atlas. An atlas is a book of maps. Okay. Number 3. Most maps have blank place at their top. Most maps have not at their top. N O R T H, not. 4. A very large body of saline water is called A/N. Saline means salty water, containing with salt, saline water. A very large body of saline water is called an ocean. O-C-E-A-N, ocean. Number 5. Ocean cover about 71% of the Earth's surface. Okay. 6. The ocean named after our country is? Answer is Indian Ocean. Okay class? I capital Indian Ocean. Ocean. Exercise C. Write T for true or F for false statements. Okay class? 1. Political globes show countries. It is true. So write down true. T for true. Okay. Number 2. A map is drawn on a flat surface. It is right statement. So write down true. T for true. 3. The needle of a compass always points the north. Right statement. True. Number 4. Earth has 5 continents and 7 oceans. Wrong. Earth has 7 continents and 4 oceans. Okay class? Earth has 5 continents and 7 oceans. Wrong statement. So write down false. F for false. Okay. 5. Africa is the largest continent in size. Wrong statement. Asia is the largest continent in size. So write down F. False. F for false. Okay. Next exercise D. Match the following. Column A and column B. Column A, map, Asia, map reading, globe, very large body of water. And here in column B, the 5 answer are giving. Number 1, sphere. B, flat surface. C, continent. D, ocean. E, symbol. So now we will match. 1, map. The correct answer is flat surface. Write down 1. Number 2, Asia. The correct answer is continent. Write down 2. Number 3, map reading. The correct answer will be symbols. Number 3. Write down 3. Number 4. Globe. The correct answer is sphere. Write down 4. Very large body of water. The correct answer will be ocean. Number 5. It is completed. Very good. Today's homework, exercise A. Exercise A, take the correct answer. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. Write down in your notebook. Okay? Write neat and clean.